Welcome to Ulcer Town. Join Dr. Smile, our friendly dental explorer, as he uncovers the secrets behind mouth ulcers, their causes, diagnosis, and management. Everywhere he looks, ulcers appear, so he decides to meet them one by one and listen to their stories. Dr. Smile walks down the street and notices ulcers living between the teeth with a bad smell. It's necrotizing gingivitis. The main causes are poor oral hygiene, stress, smoking, and anaerobic bacterial infection. Management includes gentle cleaning, chlorhexidine mouthwash, and metronidol if the infection is severe, and of course, stop smoking. He continues and meets ulcers with crusted lips and red target-like spots on the skin. They say, "We come from drugs and infections. It's Erythema Multiforme. It can be triggered by reactions to drugs such as sulfo, anticonvulsants, or antibiotics, and sometimes by viral infections like herpes simplex. Management is to stop the triggering drug, use topical or systemic steroids, and give supportive care with hydration and a soft diet." Next, he reaches a place filled with recurrent ulcers called aphthous. Major aphthous are large, painful, and last for weeks. Minor aphthous are small and heal in a few days. Herpetiform ulcers are tiny and come in clusters. Causes include stress, trauma, food allergies, vitamin B12 or iron deficiency, hormonal changes, and immune imbalances. Management involves avoiding irritants and spicy foods, applying topical steroids, rinsing with chlorhexidine, and correcting vitamin deficiencies. Severe cases may need systemic steroids. At the crossroads, an ulcer with the suitcase says, "I travel everywhere, to the mouth, eyes, and genitals." That's Behçet Syndrome. It is caused by an abnormal immune reaction that leads to inflammation of small blood vessels throughout the body. Management includes topical steroids for mouth ulcers, systemic steroids or immunosuppressants such as azathioprine, and referral to specialists. Then, Dr. Smile walks into Drug Alley, where colorful capsules fall like rain. An ulcer shouts, "It's not my fault. Blame the medicine." These are drug-induced ulcers. Common causes include NSAIDs, beta blockers, and chemotherapy drugs. Management is to stop the offending drug, soothe with topical corticosteroids, and provide gentle oral care. Finally, Dr. Smile reaches the deep medical district where ulcers come from systemic diseases. Some are due to Lupus Erythematosus caused by autoimmune attack on body tissues. Others appear in Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, where intestinal inflammation spreads to the mouth. Some come from leukemia, where low immunity and abnormal blood cells lead to oral lesions. Management starts with identifying the underlying condition, referring to the appropriate specialist, and treating oral symptoms with topical care and steroids as needed. After his journey through Ulcer Town, Dr. Smile learns that every ulcer tells a story. Each one has its own cause, and every cause has a cure. Diagnose smart, treat gently, and always look for the bigger picture. Ulcers may look alike, but with the systematic approach, Dr. Smile can always find the cause and the cure. Remember the golden rule. NEMA heals beautiful real clinical lives. N stands for necrotizing gingivitis, clean and control infection. E for Erythema Multiforme, eliminate the trigger. E for aphthous, avoid irritants and apply steroids. M for medication reaction, stop the drug and support the patient. H for Behçet, heal the immune system. C and L for Crohn's, lupus, and leukemia, control the disease and provide long-term care.